How to make regular in DNA strand paracord keyrings. You'll need about 39 inches or so of paracord, and at this stage you can add a split ring. Form a loop as shown and take the left hand length and bring it over like this. Form another loop. And then take the right hand side, go over the first piece as shown, under the body, and then through that first loop that you've just made. It's a slightly embarrassing shape, but we'll just brush past that and pull it tight. Aim to make the loop about 2.5 inches in size. And then what we do, you look for this upright bit on the knot and then bring that length over the loop and then bring the other length over the first length. Go under the loop and then through that little hole on the right hand side. Again, just pulling this tight. Then we take the upright bit on the other side and then reverse it. Then we take that right hand side, go over the first piece there, back under the body and through that reverse D shape there. And just go right, left, alternating until you get to the end. You can of course vary the size of your keyring, but this amount of weave on here gives you quite a solid one. Seal the cut ends with a lighter and then push them flat to make like a little rivet. Beware, paracord gets very hot. And now onto the DNA strand one. What you do is start the same way with the upright piece and then start doing your weave as per usual. But then the trick here is not to alternate but go from the same side, so it's right all the way until you leave a little loop at the end. And you'll get a shape like this. And it makes a very handsome weave. There we are, that's the plane and the DNA keyring.